He said the recoil's not bad on these.
Yeah, he says loud, but it's not bad. There you go.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah.
Like it?
I'll give it a go. Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, it's actually nice.
We are today. That is an interesting concept though, man.
It feels good.
So that lever, how's that work again?
So we're going to give you a quick demo on how the rack system works. If you look right here, this little silver detent, you push that in and then you rotate the rack lever 90 degrees, shotguns it, and it just comes apart. Putting it back together, same thing. You just hook, if you look on the upper, instead of the holes that you normally have here, you've got hooks. So you hook that on the front bar, rotate it back, and then rotate that rack lever back around till the detent pops out, and it's back together. The quickest takedown and put back together of any AR platform I've ever seen. So just want to give you that quick demo and hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah. Is it, now do you have this for 308? I know it's not, is this your company?
I think he's got 308, but we've put it in stock.
I was going to say, for that locking lug, that probably has some kind of different machine.
Yeah.
So now putting it back.
Because you can see on this latch, what it does, it rotates, catches that thing. So you just got to make sure it's all the way to the back.
All the way back.
And then just closed, and then rotate that and go all the way past that detent. You'll feel that detent pop out.
Okay.
And all you do to take that apart is take this little set screw out, and that detent and everything comes out of it. This whole gun can be taken down in just minutes to do whatever you need to do to it. So
heck yeah, man.
You guys want to shoot it?
You guys want to shoot it? Jason, you want to try it out? Or?
Me? Why me? But I want to see him fight.
It is smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was real nice sitting down.
Yeah. It's not too warm either for a pretty thin guard.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I like that hand guard where it's flat on the bottom. It's easier to hold on to, and it's a little lighter than you'd expect.
That's pretty smooth.
Mom, it's the same recoil as the M60.
Oh, mother of pearl.
Don't you?
You'll put 70 AR, and then everything is just barely.
Get that in there like.
I know it's brown.
Okay. Good.
Do you do a light coat like that?
Paint it to where you can see out of it.
Yeah, I know you
Put
do
it
a
on fire and go to work.
What is this? Why do I?
It's a shame. Hey, don't.
I thought about shooting it.
Unless it comes this way. I'm running. That 45 degrees. Beautiful. You don't have to say. Should have brought the bipod for it.
I want mine that way.
Where you guys want?